Hey everybody, Noah here with American Trucks. This is the Diablo Sport Trinity 2 EX Platinum Tuner for the 99 to 2016 5.3 liter Silverado 1500. Now if you want to tune your truck and you're looking to switch between two different tune maps on a large touchscreen and you want the possibility of loading custom tunes as well, then you should check out the Diablo Sport Trinity 2 EX Platinum Tuner. This tuner comes with the option to switch between different tunes, and this is the Platinum version, so it supports custom tunes as well, and you can still use the two preloaded tunes that it comes with. Now this does have a digital dash on here as well, so there's a few gauges that can be run on the screen displaying running data. Now just to run through a quick list of things this tuner can adjust, we're looking at speedometer, gear ratio, tire size correction, cooling fan control, throttle response, fueling adjustments, timing adjustments, idle RPM, speed and rev limiters, and the ability to turn off active fuel management. Now like I said before too, you can keep changing the tune to correspond with the mods you do as you build your truck as well, with the support of that custom tuning. Now another fantastic feature is that it can be used as a diagnostic tool for trouble codes and a data logger and monitor, so you can see exactly what's going on in your truck. Now loading tunes is super easy as well, since you can do it over your computer with an included USB with a PC or a Mac. Then once you have your tunes loaded, you can just plug the tuner in with the included OBD2 cable and switch between them. Then finally, one huge feature that this thing has is that it can actually time 0 to 60, 0 to 100, quarter mile, and eighth mile times. It's always awesome to see those times conveniently right on the dash, and having that data logged is great information to look at when creating or tweaking custom tunes. We have some pretty cool design features with the tuner itself. Now, like I said earlier, this tuner is compatible with Mac or PC over that USB cable, which makes adding and deleting files super simple. Then we have this 5-inch full color high resolution touchscreen display right on the front, which is a nice interface for you to sort through sensor data like AFR or EGT or anything else you want to see like those data logs. This tuner is also designed to work with Diablo Sport's CMR software, where you can create your own tunes at home and upload them right onto the interface and flash them to your truck. Coming in around $750, it's kind of astonishing how much you get for the price here with the Diablo Sport setup. Now this is definitely a higher end, sort of top tier tuner with that digital dash capability, but it's still what I would consider a lower budget, very affordable setup for the price. This is a great option for someone who's on a budget but wants to get some more power out of their truck with a high-end, more inclusive tune setup that has some serious versatility. Installing this tuner will take you about 15 minutes, which isn't too bad at all. If you take your time, this should have a difficulty level of 1 out of 3 wrenches without any major headaches. Sometimes getting tuners set up can be complicated, and it's important to take your time and read all the literature that comes with it before just plugging it in. For some more in-depth installation instructions, check out this video of one of our AT customers talking you through the process step by step.
I used a pair of needle nose pliers, a pair of wire cutters. Here we have the Diablo Sport Trinity. That on the windshield. Okay. And then I'm gonna pop this off, just some clips. Slides out. Okay. Take your cord, plugs up. Actually gonna go ahead and plug it up. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna run it all the way up through there until you see some light. And it's gonna come out right here. Take your hand and grab it. Pull it up. All right. And this is where we're gonna go to the side of the windshield. Okay. This is where you use your needle nose. You reach in. Okay. So that's all you're gonna need your needle nose pliers for. Okay, so this is up. Now, we'll take our first we'll plug it back up. Plug it up. On the dash. Now we take our excess. I'm gonna pull it up. Just like that to get it out of the way. We take our zip ties that came in the box. I'm gonna take this and we're going to take our cutters. Okay, we're going to take this, had it right there. Okay, we're going to take our piece, add it back in. Belt back on there. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna zip tie the rest of it. Right here. So it'll be out of our way. Take our cutters, cut the excess off that. And we're gonna crank the truck. Tap it. It comes on. And that's it. That's the install. Go from here. You go to tunes, got different tunes. Of course, I've got the miles per gallon booster tune so I can get better gas mileage. And that's all.
That was the Diablo Sport Trinity 2 EX Platinum Tuner for the 99 to 2016 5.3 liter Silverado 1500. For all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.